Understanding Pine Straw Mulch, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very specific and interesting phrase, pine straw mulch. This might be a new term for many of you, especially if you're not familiar with gardening or landscaping. Don't worry, we'll break it down together, so you can understand and use this phrase confidently. Pine straw mulch is a compound noun, meaning it's made up of more than one word that together describe a single concept. Let's look at each part. 1. Pine. This word refers to a type of tree known for its long, needle-like leaves. Pines are evergreen, meaning they stay green throughout the year. 2. Straw. In this context, straw isn't the drinking straw you're thinking of. It refers to the dry stalks of plants. Here, it specifically means the fallen needles of pine trees. 3. Mulch. Mulch is a material spread over the surface of the soil. It's used in gardens and landscapes to retain moisture in the soil, suppress weeds, and keep the soil cool. So, pine straw mulch refers to the mulch made from fallen pine needles. Now that we understand what pine straw mulch is, let's talk about why it's important. 1. Soil protection. Pine straw mulch helps protect soil from erosion, which means it prevents the soil from being washed or blown away. 2. Moisture retention. It's great for keeping the ground moist. This is especially helpful in gardening and landscaping. 3. Natural look. Many gardeners prefer pine straw mulch because it gives a natural and aesthetically pleasing look to gardens and landscapes. Understanding the importance of this term can help you appreciate its usage in various contexts, especially in gardening and environmental conversations. Let's put our phrase into practice. Here are some example sentences. 1. I used pine straw mulch in my garden to keep the soil moist during the dry season. 2. Many landscapers recommend pine straw mulch because it's environmentally friendly and effective. 3. Did you know that pine straw mulch can also enrich the soil as it decomposes? These sentences show how you can use the phrase in everyday conversation, especially if talking about gardening or environmental topics. Thank you for joining me in exploring the phrase, pine straw mulch. I hope this video has been informative and has helped you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Remember, learning a language is all about exploring new words and how they connect to our daily lives. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in our next lesson.